other one over there, Autumn. That's pretty. That waterfall in there. You can't go in there, right?
You're allowed to.
No?
You're allowed to.
Really?
Yeah. I'm
Cool. I like the hot tub. That's very cool. That's the hot tub. That's so relaxing because it has the pretty flowers.
This is the hot tub. I know.
And my granddaughter, now what are you doing? You're in the fountain. Autumn? That's like another little pool. Cool. This is the pool. A little pool.
Heavy. Heavy.
That's really pretty, Autumn. I think this is my favorite spot.
Water. Feels great. Oh, I thought the water was cold in there. Feel it.
Not the back of your head. Oh, this is the rest of the pool.
Look, you cannot.
You know, I bring fins with me and I never get to wear them because kids are taking my fins.
You cannot use the fins.
See, she just told them. Wait, whose fins are they?
They're mine.
They're mine. Watch, they're fighting over my fins. Watch this. Anyways, this is the rest of the pool. Okay. This is my day today on Saturday. I think I've watched The Lifestyle of the Rich and Famous too much. This is my other son's pool. Now you've seen the first one, the second one, the resorts. And the waterfall. Isn't it pretty? Just sit out here all night long. I hope a scorpion doesn't get you, but otherwise it's beautiful. Okay, and then this is like my favorite part of these flowers. I don't know what kind of these flowers, but I think this is, my mother had these. Aren't these gorgeous? Oh, just have them wrapped around your house. I think these are so pretty. Oh, I feel like I'm in a flower shop or I like it, like it, like it, like it a lot. A lot. And the hot tub. Nice hot tub. I love this up here. How pretty this is. Sit back, listen to the water. Nice. So this is my day, and then I'm going to the workout room. But this is my day. Love it, love it, love it. I love cactuses too. Okay, here I'm coming up behind Wyatt. And he's pushing the kids in. Hey, Wyatt! Wyatt, show me your monster face.
Your turn, your turn.
Wyatt, show me your monster face.
Do not. Do not. Do not.
Wyatt, what did you say in the hot tub to that girl? You went, oh, there's a girl! And he waved. Right?
Do it.
I think he's beaming them.
I'm a statue. You can't get me.
Wyatt, what are you doing?
Hey,
Wyatt. Wyatt, what are you doing? Wyatt, what are you doing? Wyatt, what are you doing? Wyatt. Oh, my fault. My bad. Wyatt. So I tell this kid, Luke, I go, has your mother been out at the pool all day to check on you? So she comes out and he goes, this is the first time you checked on me. Oops, I'm bad. Dry real quick. Hang on. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so what did you say?
I'm looking at your camera.
For a second? You got orange juice all over your face. It matches your shorts. Can I wipe it off? So what are you going to do with my camera for a second?
I'm going to take a picture.
Of me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you put it on. Now, can you see CGG? I'll hold it right there because it's on. Your finger's on there. All right, wait. Okay. Hi, Wyatt. We went swimming all day today. And now you're doing camera. You're really, really good. Okay, good job. Great job, Wyatt. These are my fins. You found them. Thank you.
Look. Look.
Hey, you.
Don't.
What are you doing with my fins? What are you doing with my...
Put them on.
Hey,
Put them on.
are you fishies ready to come?
Wait. This is not ours.
Adam, do you know what Wyatt said in the hot tub?
No.
He sees this little girl, right? And he goes, look, there's a girl, there's a girl. And then he starts waving like this. Is that right, Wyatt? Wyatt, is that right?
Come on, Wyatt. Let's go.
He doesn't want to swim. He said he only likes
No,
steps.
he's not swimming. He's walking on land. Come on. You
He-
get to be on land.
He likes steps. No running. You know.
Come on, let's
Bye. What's this called? A hot tub?
Yes.
Whoa. There you go. You like hot tubs? What was that? Translate for me, Luke. What does that mean? What did he just do? What are you doing now? What? Oh, really? He's so funny. I'd like to go in the hot tub. Do you want to go with me? Well, then why are you asking me? Well, are you going to go in the hot tub with me? Well, ask me about the hot tub. Why don't you go with me? Wyatt, are you doing push-ups or yoga? He's 3 years old. Wyatt! Wyatt! This is so cool. I want one in my backyard. I think I just prefer the ocean in my backyard. I have been in the pool all day long. I think it's about 6 o'clock. I've been here since 11 a.m. What's she doing? Wyatt? Yeah? What is she doing? Wyatt. Wyatt, what's Autumn doing?
Look, it's a